Hi, I'm Ryan, and welcome to my coding bootcamp journey. In this series, I will share my experiences as I learned to code through Flatiron School's web development program. If you know anyone that would enjoy this series, please send them to the link at the bottom of your screen. All right, so what is new this week? So this week we started with Sinatra MVC framework. MVC standing meaning model view controller. We this week we just worked on the controller aspect, which that's essentially the traffic cop. Meaning, if a person goes to, it's the one that handles all the HTTP requests through the browse through the clients through the client side, usually the browser. Like if they go to this web page, serve up this in serve up this file. If they go to this page, serve up this file. If they go to this other page, so that's what we worked on. The view is what handles all the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all that. And the model is essentially your data, which might be like a database or like like the Twitter API or what have you. So yeah, we just worked on the controller aspect. We also covered Rack, which is the gem that Sinatra is based on, or it uses, or whatever. And just to see what the Sinatra controller does on, but what the Sinatra controller does in the background, I guess. But I mean, all of the so yeah, the so, using the Sinatra get and post and all that is definitely easier, but it was nice to see all the down it was nice to see all of the logic in that I was doing in Rack. So yeah, that's what we did this week. And as far as struggles, I really didn't have any. It was a really light week. I actually got finished with everything relatively early, which I was really surprised at. And what during my one-on-one with the cohort lead, he told me that this week is the calm before the storm. so I'm guessing that we're going to learn about both the model and the view, which, well, I don't know. I can't see into next week's curriculum until Monday, so I'm not going to make any assumptions about what's in it. But as you said, it's a calm. This week was the calm before the storm. So yeah. And as far as victories, because it was such a light week, I had more. I had more time to do, something. I had more time, so I decided to kind of look at more like holistic videos, or videos kind of have kind of more of a bird's eye view, kind of like a whole picture kind of thing. So I watched one video about learning habits, specifically about coding, and as for the one thing that really stuck with me is you will not you will never be as stupid as you are now. Meaning I know more than I did yesterday. So always kind of moving forward and doing progress, and mention like how to, that was nice to watch. Just to make sure that I'm still doing all of the little things day to day that keep me moving forward and keep building upon my knowledge. And then I also watched someone that had gone through the program and is now working as a developer. Also did a presentation on five things that he wished he knew one before when he was going through the program. And so both of these videos I've saved locally on my laptop, so I can always revisit them whenever I do have time, just to again make sure that I'm kind of going forward with the right mindset and making sure that I'm making new mistakes and not repeating ones that other people have already done. So yeah, so that's so I would call those victories. And what am I looking forward to is doing more with Sinatra. Because again, right now, all I know is what a controller does, and the that's re- that's what the lab's focused on. So I'm definitely looking forward to digging more into it and actually building full on apps with it. Also, we're kind of slowly working on kind of have the beginnings of a group project. The cohort leads kind of he's kind of taking the lead on this as far as one so yeah, that'll be interesting to kind of have a project that the entire cohort works on, and kind of collaborate on stuff. So yeah, that'll definitely be fun, I think. And that's so yeah, that's all I have for you this week. As I said, it was a pretty light week. So I do thank you for watching. If you want to stay up to date, please like and subscribe, and feel free to check out the rest of this series. And if you do have any comments or questions, please post them below, and I'll see you in the next chapter.